I just earned $2,000 from a product I promoted 12 months ago, and the crazy thing is, I've not touched it since. If you're interested in replicating these results, go ahead and tap the like button and stay until the end of the video. Before I share the money making method, you need to understand what video SEO is. Video SEO is basically the same as typical SEO you apply for websites, but the difference is it's for video and it's much easier and faster. But for those of you who don't know what SEO is, in a nutshell, it's a way to manipulate search engines like Google through various signals to display your content in front of your target market. Now that we have a foundation level of SEO and video SEO, it's time to reveal the method. So don't miss out by leaving this video now. The method I teach my students is called MMO Hijack. This is an extremely simplistic method on utilizing traffic that a product already has by diverting it to your own assets about that product. The reason this is so profitable is because, one, we don't need to spend on PPC, funnels, copywriting, as the market already knows about the product. Two, the prospects are ready to buy, they just need a little nudge from an external party. That's us. Three, we can build, set, forget, and repeat. Most businesses don't know much about organic ranking, or they find it too slow to sustain their business model. So, often, they don't even try getting them. Whilst it's too slow for them, it's perfect for us as we don't have any overheads. We can create an entire portfolio of self-sustaining products that get top rankings for the product whilst the product creators drive traffic through paid advertising. The problem with most people who try similar methods to MMO Hijack is, one, they don't have my refined system. Two, they don't know how to get rankings. And three, they don't know how to present their products. For those of you who are interested in a complete breakdown of MMO Hijack, I've left a link to the training below where I go into step-by-step details backed by a case study with live earnings, product selection, and everything you need to know in between. I've left nothing out. So how is this done? First, you've got to find a product that offers an affiliate program. You can find an overwhelming amount of products by heading over to Google by typing in affiliate programs. Bear in mind, not all of these products are profitable, so knowing what products to select is a big time saver. Next, you sign up to the software and start reviewing it, showcasing it, and giving it your genuine thoughts on the product. It's important to remember that you're not selling the product, you're trying to be helpful and help prospects make an informed decision. There is a formula on these videos on how they should be made, and I teach this in MMO Hijack. Finally, uploading the video to YouTube. You need to include a title which will encourage people to click on your video, whilst letting YouTube and Google know what the video is about. Create a description that mimics the title and ensure you leave your affiliate link so people can thank you for the review by using your link. When they click your special link and purchase, you earn an income. Last but not least, you need a thumbnail that will trigger an emotional response and matches the intent of the prospect enough for them to click on your video. When you combine all of this together, you get the perfect self-sustaining income generating machine that generates an income 24/7 without you. Thank you so much for watching, and go ahead and leave your comments below.